I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure it's charged to at least 50% and on a stable Wi-Fi network because updates can be large. Once done, back up photos, contacts, and app data to Samsung Cloud or a PC so you can restore if needed. Now clear space. Remove unused apps or move files to an SD card until you have roughly 2 GB free. With those steps complete, open Settings and go directly to Software Update to check for available versions. You'll see the available update listed. Tap Download and install and read any brief notes so you know what changes. The device downloads the package, then verifies it. This can take several minutes depending on size and Wi-Fi speed. Make sure you stay connected to power and do not interrupt the process. When the phone restarts, it applies the update and may show an optimization screen for apps. Let that finish fully before unlocking the device so apps rebuild databases correctly. After the reboot, go to Settings About Phone to confirm the new Android version and check that your apps are working. If the update fails or the phone gets stuck, try clearing the cache partition in recovery mode and reinstalling the package. This often fixes corrupted temporary files. If downloads repeatedly fail, switch Wi-Fi networks or use Smart Switch on a PC to update. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after a full backup, because that erases user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.